Pete Kutzer with the Orvis Fly Fishing Schools, and today I want to show you a couple tips or tricks to do that double spey. Now that double spey cast can be a little intimidating. A lot of us think that it's only going to be done with a two-handed rod. Well, we can do that cast with a single-handed rod just as easily, and this is a great cast when we have some kind of obstacle behind us, maybe some trees or bushes. And it's a great cast when we want to swing a wet fly or if we want to fish with some nymphs. With our single-handed rod, if our line is downstream and our rod is away from our body, notice my line is pointing down in this direction. What I need to do is get that line a little bit closer to me. I don't want to get that line past me. Watch as I make this lift nice and slow. Notice when I made that lift nice and slow, I tried to keep my line right here. This is a good position for that roll cast. Now I'm going to take my rod, I'm going to sweep it around, I'm going to come up into a good roll cast position, then I can make that delivery and send that fly back out to those fish. And this cast can be done both, like I said, with a single-handed rod or your two-handed rod. With your two-handed rod, it's the same thing. We're going to simply cross our arms nice and gently, try to get the end of that fly line or the end of that head right here close to our body. From here, we can then bring our rod around, sweep it up, then make that delivery. Now we're back in the game and we can try and catch some more fish. So that's a great way to try that double spey. Practice on the grass a little bit. These casts do work better on the water, but you can practice them right here and really it's going to help you catch more fish.